If you're participating in this lesson, congratulations! You're nearing the completion of your journey to becoming a proficient SQL data analyst. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. I'm genuinely proud of your commitment. We have a few final concepts to explore before wrapping up. Databases are designed by data engineers, but as data analysts, having an understanding of how they are designed will help in writing our queries. In this lesson, we learn the connection between tables in databases, particularly what primary and foreign keys are and how they relate to each other. The primary key is the unique identifier for each record in a table. In simpler terms, it is like a unique ID tag that helps the computer tell each row in a table apart, so it never gets them mixed up. The foreign key is the field refers to a primary key in another table. It is like a link or connection that tells the computer, this piece of information comes from another table. Let us see a visual demonstration of this for better understanding. In this illustration, we have two tables, students and grades. The students table contains student ID, first name, last name, age. The grades table contains grade ID, student ID, subject, score. It's important to note that the grades table has its own primary key, grade ID, which uniquely identifies each grade record. Every table should have its own primary key for proper database design. Also notice that student ID column appears in both tables, but serves different purposes in each. In the students table, it's the primary key, a unique identifier that ensures each student has exactly one record in this table. Emma Wilson has student ID 1, James Smith has student ID 2, and Sophia Garcia has student ID 3. In the grades table, student ID serves as a foreign key. It references the primary key of another table. This creates a relationship between the tables. For example, looking at the first two records in the grades table, we see they both have student ID 1, which tells us these grades belong to Emma Wilson. This relationship establishes our parent-child structure. The students table is the parent table because it contains the primary key being referenced. The grades table is the child table because it contains the foreign key that does the referencing. This structure enforces data integrity. We can't assign grades to students who don't exist in our database. It also allows us to retrieve meaningful information like show me all of Sophia's grades without duplicating Sophia's personal information across multiple records. In our subsequent lessons, we will learn how we can write queries that retrieves data from two tables that have a parent-child relationship like this one.